Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Professor Suleiman, and today we are going to discuss about the types of sentences. And first of all, we will discuss the simple sentence. Simple sentence is a combination of subject plus verb, and it is meaningful as well. As I give you the example, I eat mangoes. Here is a complete sense as well as there is a combination of subject and verb, and it's meaningful as well. So we can call that as a simple sentence. On the other hand, if we talk about the compound sentence, so we can keep in our mind the combination of two independent clauses, independent plus independent clause. So we can say that that is a combination of two independent clauses, and that is usually joined by the fanboys. If we talk about the fanboys, that we make it acronym in order to keep in our mind that we can easily remember that. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Usually, the compound sentence is joined by the coordinating conjunction, which we usually call fanboys in order to learn it easily. But sometimes two independent clauses are joined by the semicolon as well. That is also called compound sentence. But what you need to keep in your mind, the combination of two independent clauses is called compound sentence. On the other hand, if we talk about the complex sentence is a combination of dependent clause as well as independent clause. That is a dependent clause. On the other hand, that is an independent clause. So if we join dependent clause with an independent clause, that becomes a complex sentence. The example is here. If you work hard, so we have to use comma after the dependent clause. If you work hard, what will happen? You will succeed. It means one thing is depending on another, that we also call the conditional sentence as well. Okay, and that is the first conditional, because there is a possibility. If you work out, you will succeed. The first clause is the dependent clause, the second clause is an independent clause. On the other hand, if we talk about the compound complex, it means there will be two independent clauses and one will be the dependent clause. Here is the example. If you come to me, we will eat fruits and play cricket together. So there are two independent clauses, and one is, you can say that the dependent clause, so it can be called complex compound sentence, because in the beginning there is you can say that dependent clause. You can also make it compound complex, like you need to use two independent clauses and one dependent clause, so that can be called compound complex and complex compound. What you need to do, there should be the combination of one dependent clause, two independent clauses. Thank you very much.